Hello, welcome everyone. Today's video is about Use Tabby on booking.com. So what kind of Tabby is Tabby? Is it okay? So let's say what is it Tabby? It's a UAE based by now by letter method, and I know that Tabby is actually something is related to the thing that you guys need to start to do add it, or maybe not adding it, because it's just a payment method that's gonna really relate it. So if you just go over here on my account, okay, for example, now let's see here about your account. Go for the the part where you go actually start for details, for example, payment methods. Let's see wallet. Okay, here we don't have any access. Here we have payment method. Here you can access wallet, but here you can access payment method. You can add. So let's say here Tabby, if it's is Tabby credit card. Okay, then let's say it's a digital visual card that you can use with Apple Pay or Samsung Pay or something like that. So Tabby is actually a card, but I think you can use it as an app. So that means that when you go here and buy one of these sinks or buy one of these hotels, renting rooms, so you can click here, for example, then scroll down and start to reserve it right quick. I will reserve like 900 USD for one room. Gonna
الله انت ما عملتش ريلود يا اسطى.
and then you can start actually to see right here to start to have something. It's gonna really have here, and let's say you can have this kind of payment method can actually really give you here some kind of payment methods that should really appear like PayPal, like things, but I made sure that should appear. You're traveling, yes, company, no, else should update. So there is some options should appear here for the instruction. If you click on add insurance, maybe it is gonna appear here, and that's all about, guys, to help you through this video.
هو انت عملت اهو